Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. Features also include four-wheel disc brakes, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, tire pressure monitoring system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2016 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, trip computer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.